Hi, thanks for clicking this video. A sub to this channel will be highly appreciated. Samsung is preparing to release its rugged Galaxy Xcover7 Pro, which will be the Pro version of the Samsung XCover7 that was released last year, with recent leaks revealing upgraded specifications, pricing, and the first image of the device, which kind of looks like the combination of the XCover6 Pro and XCover7. According to GSM Arena, the phone is expected to feature a 6.6-inch LCD display with a 1080 by 2408 resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. And in terms of performance, Samsung XCover7 Pro will come with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chipset. As for camera setup, the XCover7 Pro will likely come with a dual rear camera system consisting of a 50-megapixel primary sensor and an 8-megapixel ultrawide lens. For selfies, a 13-megapixel front-facing camera is anticipated, just like the Samsung Galaxy Xcover6 Pro. And powering the device is a 4,350 mAh battery with 15-watt wired charging support. It will also feature a side-mounted fingerprint scanner integrated into the power button. The phone will debut with Android 15 and Samsung's One UI 7. And because it's a rugged phone, the XCover7 Pro will have the usual good stuff such as IP68 certification for dust and water resistance, along with military standard 810H certification for resilience against drops and extreme temperatures. Additional features include microSD card expansion up to 2 TB and dual SIM capability. The phone will initially be available in black with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, priced at €599 in the Eurozone, the same launch price as its predecessor. The official unveiling of the Galaxy Xcover7 Pro is expected later this month. I will be doing more coverage of this phone very soon, so make sure you subscribe to this channel if you are interested in getting this phone. Also, I would like to read what you think about this phone in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.